Back for another exciting game of UCO hockey. Craig, last weekend taking on Oklahoma, one of your guys' rivals. Pretty tough matchup. And tonight again taking on Lindenwood. I don't know how you schedule this with back-to-back teams like Lindenwood and University of Oklahoma.
It's kind of like back-to-back because we go on the road to Arizona State where Lindenwood was last week, and they ended up splitting with Arizona State. Arizona State rose in the polls today, so we're looking at this like this is probably the hardest part of our schedule that we have on it. It's going to be a tough deal, but you know what? We'll find out what kind of a team we are. If nothing else, the strength of schedule alone should help us. But I think we can play close with these guys, and hopefully we'll be right in at the third period and have a chance to win it all.
Did you get any inside edge tips on how ASU took down #1 Lindenwood?
Well, I watched ASU when we were up there at the showcase, and I know their coach pretty well. So the funny thing is ASU's playing Oklahoma this weekend as well. So they're asking us a little questions. We asked them a couple of questions, and we came across Gorsiga. Their #1 player by far. He's the guy we always have to watch for, and he's the one that's deadly. So if we can keep him under control, we have a chance. If we don't keep him under, he runs rampant all over the place, then it's going to be a very long night for us. Goaltending is okay. They're not as solid as they've been in years because they lost they're basically their star goalie for the past 4 years that they've had. So on and all, I think that we have a chance against these guys, and we'll see if what we have to do is play exactly like we did last Friday night. Never give up, keep going hard, always make them earn every step of the way.
Now your goaltending situation tonight in the lineup, you have Patchett playing, who finished off that 4-2 loss against Oklahoma. Did very well, faced about 32 shots that game, and came up. You guys had an empty net goal scored on you, but at the same time only letting 3 goals.
Yeah, you look at it and you see, okay, who has the hot hand out there? I thought Patchett played extremely well. They had several point blank shots at him, right side of the slot, inside the circles, and he handled those pretty well. They got him on 2 incredible shots that came to his glove side, so you know, I think he's ready for that. I think if he really thought he had that last one, and that was kind of difficult when he didn't have that. But all in all, I think that he's ready to go and take that next step and be our leading goaltender. Well, hopefully so.
Well, Craig, good luck tonight against #2 Lindenwood.
All right, thanks a lot, Quinn. Appreciate it.